All right, everyone, I'm going to show you how to take the bucket off of this wedge style quick attach. So I already broke this bolt loose. Yeah, take these safety keepers off, throw those in your pocket. Take the bolt loose, this bolt will come right out. Throw that in your pocket too. Take your breaker bar or your pry bar and give it a couple of, hard to do one-handed, couple of taps, couple of whacks, there you go. That's how you know that wedge was really in there. So now that that's out of there, bring all of our tools and the wedge over to the other bucket. I just put that bucket over there so I didn't have to move it again, because we're going to be using that 3-footer. So then you just curl your bucket, or dump your bucket. If you aren't familiar, uncurl your bucket or dump your bucket. Track over here. Well, it might be a little tough to do with my phone in my hand. There you go. And then you'll roll the bucket or curl the bucket in. And there you go. So now that we have that set up just like it needs to, we'll go ahead and put our bolt and our wedge back in there. So there's a right way to do it. This flat spot, as you can see, will go right here, and the wedge will go there. So then that fits right in there. Get your bolt hand tight. Okay, throw your safety keepers in there before you get distracted and walk away. And these are just to, if this bolt comes loose, this just, hopefully gives you a second to realize this before these break off. They're not really meant to do the work of the bolt. So, and then this bolt is supposed to be torqued down to 100 foot-pounds. But just get her real tight. You're not gonna snap this bolt off. So, all right, that should do it. It's a pretty smooth, simple way to go. Thanks for following along, guys.